Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I bought a super cheap, it's like $20, $21 train horn off Amazon that I'm going to be putting on my truck. But before I get to that, I've had the Challenger for about 3 months and have not washed it, and it's filthy. So I'm going to wash it. And before I get to that, I had the engine light on the car come on, so I went to AutoZone, ran the code. It was something to do with the, I can't remember what it was called, the evap system, some bullshit like that. Could have been something as little as the gas cap being loose, or it could have been the vacuum line that runs up to the intake from the tank could have a crack or leak or whatever, or can't remember what the valve was called, but it could have been this valve. Anyways, so I get home from AutoZone and I pull the engine cover and check it out, and I had a little surprise underneath the engine cover, and I'll insert the clips here off my Snapchat. So my new car engine light came on, so I took it to AutoZone and ran the code, and it was a really minor code, and it was what it could have been was a vacuum leak. So I pull the engine cover, and I'm dinking around looking at the vacuum lines and stuff, and then this is part of him. There was a big ass fucking dead rat there, just chilling under the engine cover. So that car lot really checked this car over, I guess. Fucking ridiculous. So yeah, that was a big old sucker of a rat. I don't know how long it was there. I don't know if it'd been there a couple days since I owned the car, or if it was there since the car lot had it. Anyways, let's not dwell on that. I reset the computer. The engine light hasn't came back on yet, so that seems good. Now I'm gonna pull the car around and wash it. And just like that, she's clean. Boom. Looking sexy as fuck. I didn't like these wheels too much when I first bought it, but they're growing on me. I like the chrome. Look at that shine, boy. You see my big old leg there. Anyways, so now I'm gonna get to backing the truck up and figuring out how I'm gonna install this horn. That was a true cold start. This thing hasn't ran in a couple weeks. But now I'm emptying out the little leg. Anyways, so this horn I got, it's like I said, super cheap, wannabe train horn thing. Has a little 12-volt compressor. I think I'm gonna try to just mount it behind the grill, so I think that's where the stock horn is. And I can just wire up the trigger wire from that and a ground, and so my horn button will actually activate that. So I'm in the middle of taking this grill off to try to do this horn install, and I keep finding treasure after treasure in my cars. There is a little bit of a bird situation. Look at this guy. Just fucking stuck behind the amber light. Dead as shit. That's where he's gonna lay for right this second. But I think I got almost everything off to get the grill off. Well, I will after I remove this bolt. Anyways, back to work. Alright, I got the grill loose. And so what I did for the bracket on this is I cut the bracket off the old horn, bolted it to it, so it's gonna go basically in the factory location. And I used self tappers to hold the horn to the core support there, and it clears the grill. I can fully push it against the core support where it bolt up and everything. Now I need to figure out which one of these wires I need to hook where, and then we'll be in business. Well, I got it done. It works, so that's good. I don't think it's as loud as advertised because it says 150 decibels. It's loud, but I don't think it's that loud. But I'll see if I can find a place to set the camera and play it. I don't know if when the truck's running and it's seeing more than 12 volts or whatever it's at with nothing hooked up, it'll be seeing, 14 point whatever being charging. I don't know if that'll make the compressor work better and it be louder, but at least with the truck not on, this is what it sounds like. But yeah, so it's fairly loud. I was hoping it would be louder, but like I said, I only paid 20 bucks for it, so I can't expect too much out of it. But it's gonna be it for this episode. So till next time, keep between the ditches. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you.